What's up guys, today's a little chilly out here. I should be wearing a long sleeve shirt, but that's when you know fall's coming, summer's almost over. So I decided to do some mods on the Civic. It's been a while, so yeah, let's turn the camera around to the Civic. What we're gonna do is my front lip actually broke. It's kind of rough right now, but I did get a new front lip and I actually got this guy to paint it for me at a really cheap price. I didn't want to do that whole spray can job, so this guy actually does painting. He has the paint and spray gun and everything. He used to work for Kia, so does a pretty good job. At the same time, I'm gonna pop the hood. I'm gonna install these Tein Hood Dampers on the car. Marco just had hood dampers on the 370Z and I really like how it looks, and you know, it's good to have. So yeah, let's get to the installation. Alright, so we're just gonna install the front lip first, test fit it, should work, but yeah, should be a pretty quick lip install, and then we'll get to installing these hood dampers. Perfect. See you. Yeah, exactly.
Damn, and that's it.
Oh, that should look perfect, man.
Oh yeah,
Perfect. Looks like it's it's completely. Alright, so this is like installation for dummies on the front lip. It was literally the first mod I ever did. All you need is a screwdriver and these nuts or bolts or whatever you call it, screws, which they provide. So I really like these screws. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but the way it's designed, it just wedges in, it doesn't come out. So all we do is two on each side, on the side. I'm too lazy to bust out the power drill, but if you have a power drill, you can just drill it right in. It works perfectly fine. And then again, because this car is low, we have to jack it up before we drill it in. Too much work. Hold. Let's do this side for hood dampers just to make sure it fits. And for this side, we will have to do a little bit of drilling because I think you guys can really see, but the hole is not really. I had an aftermarket fender. Let's just put it that way. So Marco's gonna do some drilling. A little more. Yeah.
take it off of that one,
Oh,
so it's
okay.
easier.
So first you gotta remove the two bolts that attach the hood to the body frame of the car. Two 10mm bolts. And then just attach that bracket that came with the hood dampers. I lifted the hood a little bit. Alright, so let me show you right now. Pop the hood. It stays open just like that. One hand, baby.